Growing up in a tropical country around Southeast Asia, I only ever experienced snow during overseas vacations. It is hard to put into words, but every time I saw snow, it gave me a rush of happiness. That fascinations led me to Japan, where I planned a 3-month stay from autumn to winter. My goal was simple: adapt to the cold, master the art of layering, and experience life in the winter. We set out to hike Mount Karamatsu, which I've done a couple of times during the summer. Knowing the route well gave me some confidence as we tackled the challenges of hiking in the snow. Our drone crashed into the deep snow. Luckily, it was only a few feet away. I retrieved it, but the snow got into my shoes. I thought the hooks on my pants connecting to my shoelace would be enough, so I skipped the gaiters. I knew the hike was probably over when the icy snow melted in my shoe. Anyway, the weather kept getting worse. Our hands and feet are freezing and numb. We saw other hikers turning back, so we decided to join them and call it a failed hike.
Woohoo! Just sliding. Hi, baby. What you doing? Yeah, it is snowing, so we are all freezing. We don't think we're gonna make it. Anyway, yeah, this is how it looks like. Hey, come on. I want to interview you. How's your experience of winter hiking so far? Can you rate it? How many stars for 5? Why 1? Yeah. We are boiling water and doing some lunch. Hello. So right now, I guess it's snowing. So it is 1 degree Celsius outside. But everyone is like driving fast. I mean, yeah. We're all like.
We are on a road trip to Nagano, starting all the way from Osaka. Our new friend Norman joined us for this photography adventure. I rented a car with snow tires to get some experience driving in winter conditions. The main goal for this trip is to explore snowy spots along the way to Hakuba. After a 6-hour drive, we arrived in Matsumoto City, checked into the hotel for the night, and rested early to prepare for a hike the next morning.
Good morning. Right now it is around 5:30 and we are taking a short hike. Oh, oopsie. Are you gonna die?
Probably, yeah.
Oh, it's pretty. And it's snowing. It's snowing. Oh shit! They are fast because I'm the only one bringing the drone, tripod, and an extra camera. Yeah, and a bottle of water. So I'm gonna be slower than them. OK， 你们走吧，走吧，拍一下。
我要休息一下。
There's a sign saying that, yeah, we're halfway through. Yep, not too bad. So we're 10 minutes away from the Mount Hikarujo. And look at that. It's a city view. And yeah, 走吧走吧 let's go. Yeah, and the sunrise is about to happen. Yeah, just see the moon. Look at that. The moon is over there. It's over the right side. Yeah. It's just some slope. Yeah, everyone is getting comfortable. What did I say?
Nothing.
What?
Actually, nothing.
Okay.
Just a sign.
Never mind. Never mind. Let's go.
So this is the mountain hut, like a resting area. So it's a 200-meter uphill, and finally here after an hour of hike. It's pretty, right? Let me show you.
I found you. Two worlds colliding. I see forever in your eyes. You're everything
Let me show you.
to me, darling.
It's pretty, isn't it?
I can't believe we made it here. Now I promise you I will love you.
Oops. And they're having me to take all the stuff. Thank you very much. I just pulled up in this route. On the side, this was easier.
Will love you forever, forever. You and I will be together
So we're heading down and we're gonna get a quick breakfast, probably at Family Mart or Konbini, and then we're gonna depart to Hakuba. It is snowing heavily, and right now we are heading to unmanned station. Yeah, it's Norman's idea anyway.
It's a train station actually.
Yeah, and I'm just preparing stuff to bring, like, as lightweight as possible. Okay, let's stop the car and let's go. Careful not to fall.
Woo!
Yeah, there are people removing the snow.
Yep. So cool, right?
You gotta step on Norman's footstep.
Nah, it's okay.
Magnanimous. Expelliarmus.
We were supposed to visit Hakuba yesterday, but we got sidetracked exploring Omachi city along the way. We took our time strolling around Lake Kizaki and even managed to capture some great photos. Today, we are finally heading to Hakuba for lunch and a visit to Iwatake Mountain Resort.
Morning. It is 6:30 in the morning and I'm heading to the bus stop to take a bus. It is snowing and it's quite cold. I'm okay.
It is my last hiking trip in the winter. I will be doing the hike practice alone as it is risky for Adeline to tag along. I travel to Takayama City and start my hike at Nishihotaka-dake next day. The weather forecast for the entire week around the mountains looked terrible with high wind speeds. Since my days in Japan were limited, I had no choice but to take chance. The morning conditions were manageable, but the weather was expected to worsen by the afternoon, so I aimed to reach the mountain hut by noon. Learning from my previous mistake where snow got into my shoes during the last hike, I got myself a pair of gaiters this time. It contributed a lot throughout the hike.
Alright, so this is the situation. This is crazy. I have to press the snow by myself. Oh my god.
I supposed to overnight at the Nishihotaka-dake mountain hut. Days of heavy snowfalls left the trail buried under thick snow. I spent hours blazing my way through, but halfway up, I had to give up. Back at the starting path, I met a couple of hikers who had tried the same route. Together, we followed the partial blazed trail, but they gave up too, and I ended up returning with them. By then, I was completely exhausted. My legs were freezing due to my lack of proper winter boots. My hands numbed without effective gloves, and the sandstorm made it difficult to see without glasses. I barely managed to catch the last cable car down the mountains, and shortly after, operation was halted because of the worsening snowstorm. It was a harsh lesson in the challenge of winter hiking. Realizing I'm not strong enough yet for winter hiking, I have decided to focus on building my physical strength this year. My goal is to come back stronger for the winter of 2025. This summer, I'll be setting up my base camp in France and tackling more hikes to prepare myself. I can't wait to share my experience and journey with you. See you in France. Bye.